It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how I did this twist out, and I actually filmed this a long time ago but never got to do an intro for it. But now I finally got the perfect look of this twist out to do the intro, so I'm excited because like y'all cannot tell me this twist out do not look bomb. Like, so happy. So yeah, I love this twist out. I'm like hella excited. So yeah, no, y'all don't understand. Like, I really be going through it, the twist outs and bantu knots and braid outs, like anything when it comes to that. My hair barely want to work with me. Wash and goes, I've mastered that finally, and now I finally mastered this twist out. This is a new one, but I still use the same product, so I'm gonna still show y'all the video. I hope y'all like it. Period. She's giving. Let's get into it. Starting off with the Shea Moisture leave-in treatment. Y'all see I use like dang near all of it because I'm real generous with this. It is a spray and it's not cream based, so you gotta just, you know, really get in there with it so your hair can be soft. Then I'm gonna use this brush that everybody been raving about. I forgot what it's even called. I think it's like Easy Detangle or something, I don't know, but it's really not the best brush to me, to be honest. And then I'm going in with the Mielle Curl Smoothie, and I'm putting that on my hair first, and afterwards I'm gonna use the Mielle Curling Custard Sculpting Gel or something like that. And I honestly feel like I would use a different gel with this because I feel like that gel is just so flaky no matter what I use it with. I tried to use it with the same brand of products to see if I like the gel, but I just don't think I like the gel that much, even though my twist out did come out really, really good. So after I put the products on, I'm just twisting my hair with 2 strands. I combed it out, of course, because you don't want any naps in there. You want this to be, you know, as frizz free as possible because your twist out gonna get real frizzy over the days. Throughout the remainder of this video, I don't really feel no need to talk because it's all repetitive. I'm doing literally the same thing throughout the whole video. So I think I'm going to just let this video play until I get to the part where I'm taking my twist out and fluffing it out. Oh, and I also want y'all to know I twist my hair at the end with my finger if I feel like it wasn't curly enough at the end. So y'all see me doing that throughout the video. But just look how juicy these curls look. Like, it looks so freaking cute to me. And I have grown to love doing twist outs now that I actually know how to do it. And my twist out lasted for like 5 days, I think, or something. I don't know, but it was real cute, y'all. You want to do this on wet or damp hair, so I had to re-spray my hair with the water bottle once I got to the top because it took me a little while to get to the top. But if you have to do that, that is okay. done, and these are the results. So I'm just going to sleep on these overnight because my hair only takes about 24 hours to dry in these twists. And then I'm going to take them out in the morning, and when I'm taking them out, I do put oil on my hands to, you know, so I won't have as much frizz. And I also don't separate all the curls, I just separate a few of them. The first time I did a twist out, I separated all the curls and it was way too frizzy. It was like I barely even did a twist out. So just make sure if you do it, separate some of the curls, or you actually don't have to separate any of them if you don't want to. So when I'm separating them, I kind of just unravel it from the top, but all in one motion. And usually it doesn't get stuck at the end, but if it does, just try to gently separate it and not pull too much because that will cause frizz. But when I do it this way, I actually get less frizz than like starting from the bottom. So I actually start from the top with it. See, like I kind of unwrap it a little bit, if that makes sense. I don't know, but y'all see the motions. Now I'm about to show you guys the end results. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, because videos are coming out every week, y'all. And thank you for watching. I'm gonna just see y'all in my next one. Bye.
One, two, three. Make you feel lucky, lucky.